guys, it's Jake and Luke from LearnD.
The mobile app which helps university students tutor struggling A-level and O-level students.
The app is simple. It's a place where tutors can create profiles and students can search efficiently for these profiles.
Let's say you have a math test in 4 days. What you do is open the app, search for math, and you get a list of tutors ready to help. Say you live in Tarshin and you want the tutor close to you. So then you'd apply a location filter. And say you can only do Mondays, then you can apply a date and time filter. And let's say you want them to be great. Then you can open the other filters and set the rating to 5-star. Simple as that, and you find yourself a tutor.
Now that you've heard about our idea, download it and try it out for yourselves. Let us know how it goes in a Facebook group link somewhere around here. Tell your friends about us, and remember,
Stay learning.